Everyone, we're back, and today we're going to be comparing the Shark Duo Clean Detect ADV upright vacuum and the Shark Duo Clean Detect Speed upright vacuum. These uprights both are Shark's Duo Clean, which means they have a soft roller in the front and a main brush roll in the back. They both have their detect technology, which senses floor types and adjusts brush roll speed and suction. They both have their complete seal allergen technology, which traps fine dust and allergens in the vacuum with a HEPA filter and a sealed system. And they both have Shark's lift away technology. Both machines are relatively similar. Of course, the Speed is their smaller one. It's a little bit smaller and a little bit lighter than the regular Detect upright. Both of them come with similar attachments, but I'll show you the differences. This one, the green one, comes with this dusting brush right here. This tool, which is a combo, bristles and a flat nozzle, along with a crevice tool. While the Speed is more simplistic, it only comes with this right here, without the bristles, and the same crevice tool on this one. The power buttons are in the same location. The tubes are pretty similar. I do like the matte anodized black on this one better than the shiny silver. The cords are the same length at, I believe, 30 feet. So medium length, not super long, not super short. They both have Shark's odor removal technology, which is this pod that you stick in the nozzle that sucks odor neutralizer through the vacuum's system. Power button is in the same location. So overall, they're relatively similar. The bins both come off the same way. They both have sponge pre-filters, 2 of them. Just like that. Here, the ones on the Speed are obviously a little bit smaller. But overall, they are very similar designs. So which vacuum is better? We're gonna find out in some cleaning tests. Let's get started with the cleaning. All right, so we have a cleaning test set up. Let's start with the Speed. Phenomenal. Look at that. Let's try the regular one. They both did the same, basically, as you saw. Exceptional performance from both machines. Let's see how well they handle pet hair. Okay, so let's see which one performs better on carpet with pet hair. Easy, easy. It just ripped right through that hair. Nothing left. I did set them manually this time. Again, easily picks up the pet hair. All right, let's move on to hard floors. All right, so let's see how well they do on this test. Easy, easy. Hard floors. I mean, it just did such a good job. I guess it's time for the conclusion. All right, so which one of these Sharks do I recommend? Honestly, I'd get the Speed. In my opinion, it's a little lighter, a little smaller, a little easier to use. It also has a nicer color, in my opinion, and it also has a second rubberized part on the handle up here. I can't really see it, but the handle has a second rubberized spot right here, and the standard ADV does not look, it's just plastic. So I would honestly get the Speed. The bin is large enough. It's a little easier to push, a little easier to move around. And overall, it's just a better machine, in my opinion. They're both really good. You can't go wrong with either of these Sharks. They perform pretty darn well. They're not the easiest to repair vacuum. That would be something that I would look into a Miele, a Riccar, or even a Dyson for, because they're a bit easier to repair than Sharks. But if you don't want to fix your vacuum and you want something that's good on carpet, good on hard floors, and overall just a pretty good machine, I would go for the Speed. It did a little bit better, like in the ergonomic standpoint. Performance, identical. They have the same 8-amp motor. I looked at the specs, same motor. I felt the suction, it feels identical, but the extra rubber on the Speed, along with its lighter weight, makes it a little easier to recommend. So I hope you enjoyed this video comparing the Shark Detect Pro ADV and Detect Pro Speed, and I'll see you next time.